Hi, my name is Neelam. I'm Newnham alumni. Currently, I'm working as a head of science at Cats College in Cambridge. Today, I'm going to show you two very interesting experiments in chemistry. Okay, in the first experiment, we have decided to use ethanol and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, maybe most of you already know about it. It is a very common compound which is used in the hair color products. So we have 30 ml of hydrogen peroxide in this crucible and 20 ml of ethanol. So next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to light it up. Okay, now our ethanol is burning. So the next step is to put the potassium permanganate, which is the KMnO4, in this crucible. For that part, I am going to put the safety sheet in front of it. The reason why I'm going to put the safety sheet, because it is going to be a very explosive experiment, because during this reaction, as soon as I will put potassium permanganate, it is going to produce a large amount of oxygen. That oxygen will help the ethanol in burning, and that's where it will produce some very nice sound. And then in the end, I will tell you what is the name of this experiment. So I'm going to put a small amount of KMnO4. So now you can see that what was the name of this experiment. Of course, anybody can tell it is cannon fire practical, where the large amount of oxygen produced during the reaction of hydrogen peroxide and KMnO4 increases the burning of ethanol, and that's why this explosion happened in the end. Thank you. Hi, for this experiment we are going to use hydrogen peroxide. I have hydrogen peroxide in this conical flask, around 50 ml. Hydrogen peroxide is a key ingredient or a component in the hair color dyes. It decomposes automatically at room temperature, but at a very slow rate. So decomposition means it breaks down into oxygen and water molecule. But the other bottle which I'm holding in my hand, this is manganese oxide. It is its catalyst. If I will put the catalyst in this reaction, in this bottle, it will increases the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. And then a large amount of oxygen will produced in result in a very short period of time. So I'm going to put one spatula, roughly half a spatula of this catalyst, and you can see gas is producing now. This the fume, which is actually, you can see the bubbles, and these bubbles actually represent that the oxygen gas is produced. Fumes are because of the steam produced in this reaction. And now I'm going to test oxygen produced in this reaction. So I'm going to take the glowing splint inside. You can see I can do it as many times as possible. This is the test for oxygen. You can see still oxygen gas is producing in this reaction. Thank you for listening.